Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are unable to delete the message conversation on your iPhone after the latest update of iOS, then keep watching this video to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to force close the messages app and relaunch to delete the conversation. If not, then we move to some other solutions. Launch settings. Journal. Now tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off and wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on your iPhone and try to delete the message conversations. 3. Delete conversation in recently deleted. For that, launch message app, tap on edit. We have to select show recently deleted. Then we have to find and select the conversation that we want to delete. Next, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. Finally, what we have to do, we have to go to settings, journal, software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. If available, then go back to journal, transfer reset iPhone, reset all setting. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we are going to put the iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.